Welcome to YouTube, it's your girl Mickey Molly, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys my winter lip care routine. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I use on my lips basically during the winter time so that they don't dry and break. Because you guys see, I have huge lips. Like my lips are really big, so I have to take care of them, okay? So I'm going to show you guys how I do the deal. Okay, so first things first, I start with a lip scrub, and this lip scrub is from Luxigal Cosmetics. I'm not sure if I'm saying the name right, but yeah, Luxigal Cosmetics, and they're a black-owned brand, so yeah, that's definitely good to go and support. But I think I got it in like cherry or bubblegum. No, I think bubblegum. Yeah, I got it in like I think the flavor bubblegum, and it's really nice. Like I really like this lip scrub. It gets the job done. That's all. But yeah, so next I use this Nivea Lip Balm, and you guys know I love this Nivea Lip Balm. It's like my favorite because it's like a lip tint as well. I mean, I feel like anybody who's watched my channel before knows this. But anyways, yeah. So, and I also use this Curology lip balm. It's like in the flavor vanilla, and it's just so like it just has like a sweet little vibe. I don't know. I like it. Right. Why? Alright. So this is usually how I usually do it. It's so hard to do on camera.
Come on, boy. We'll go slow and high tempo. Light and dark. Hold me hard and mellow. I'm seeing the pain, seeing the pleasure. Nobody but you, body but me, body but us, bodies together. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. So we'll push off the neighbors in the place that feels the tears, the place to lose your fears,
yeah. Okay, so this is what my lips look like after I remove the lip scrub. So you guys see, like my lips are already kind of like nice already. Like they look nice, they look pink. That's what I'm trying to like make sure. I'm trying to make sure that my lips don't get too dark because they're already big and I don't need to have like big, super dark looking lips. So I just try to moisturize them and scrub them so that they look just cute. But yeah, alright, so I'm going to like moisturize them now so you guys will see how I do that. Okay, so first when I'm moisturizing, I start with the Nivea, because this is like a lip tint. Is that right? Yeah, it's like a lip tint. So you guys are gonna see like my lips get pinker after this. So yeah, let's so it's very mild. I mean, it's not, I don't know. Is that mild? That's like a big change. Like that's a lot pinker than how my lips are like naturally pink. So yeah, after that. I just love this lip balm so much. Like, oh, it's just perfection. Like, what? Okay, then I follow up with my Curology. This is like a vanilla lip balm, and I just put that over the Nivea just to like kind of seal it in. And I really like the smell of this as well. The Nivea smells really good. I should have showed you guys what the Nivea is like a cherry balm, so it smells like cherries, and this is vanilla, so it smells like vanilla. obvious, but yeah. And so that's basically how I do like my winter lip care routine. It's literally basically two steps. I really just do the lip scrub and then moisturize it. I just was extra with my moisture, like I just added two like lip balms. But yeah, that's my winter care routine. Yeah, that's my winter lip care routine. And if you guys like that video, please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe so that I can do more videos like this. But yeah, thanks for watching my video, guys. Bye.